Hello, grade 4. How are you? Are you okay? I hope so. Today we will talk about represent data. First, we need to know collecting data. Collecting data, we need to collect data to understand what is going on and take decisions, the correct decisions, okay? Data are collected using methods like nosing, experiment, and field practical studies. Let's begin drill 1. A class teacher asked the pupils to tell him the number of books they read during the summer holidays. Their answers were recorded as follow. Please look at this table. This table has 3 columns. Heading. The first heading, number of books. Second heading, student daily marks. The third heading, number of pupils. Look at number of books. We classify number of books into different range from 0 to 4 boxes, from 5 to 9 boxes, from 10 to 14 boxes, from 15 to 19 boxes, from 20 to 24 boxes, the last range 25 and more. Note that a data is arranged in groups, each of 5. Complete the above table, then answer the following. The first one, what is number of pupils in the class? Please look at number of pupils. We need to write number of pupils in the class. The first range, please count with me. 5, 10, 15, 17. The second range, 5 plus 4 equal 9. The third range, 5 plus 5, 10, plus 1, 11. The fourth range, we have 4 marks, 4, okay? The next range, 2 marks. The last range, only 1 mark, okay? So, the number of pupils in the class, 17 plus 9 plus 11 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 equal 44 pupils. Second requirement, arrange the sets of books. This is sets of books in descending order in a table. First, we need to arrange the number of pupils descending, okay? The first one, 17, then 11, then 9, then 4, then 2. The last one, the smallest one, is 1, okay? But take care, we need to arrange the sets of books, okay? Please look at ranges of book. The first one from 0 to 4, the second one from 10 to 14, the third one from 5 to 9, the fourth one from 15 to 19, the fifth one from 20 to 24, the last one 25 and more. The third requirement, find the greatest number in the table. How many boxes does each of them read? Greatest number of pupils Please look at number of pupils. The greatest number is 17. Okay? How many boxes does each of them read? Number of boxes are in a range from. Please look at 17 exists in a range from 0 to 4. So, number of boxes are in a range from 0 to 4. Please take care. In drill 1, we collecting data. Collect data in a table and then answer the following requirements. Okay? A, B, and C. Drill 1, we collect data. Okay? Now we will learn representing data using a bar line graph. Let's look at drill 2. The table below shows the number of pupils in primary 4 participate in school activities in a primary school. Please look with me. This table indicates activity and number of pupils. Activities like sports, social, artist, culture. Number of pupils 44, 25, 30, 15. Now we need to represent these data using bar line graph. Please take care. We have two vertices. The horizontal vertex, okay? It's labeled activity, okay? The vertical axis, it's labeled number of pupils. The horizontal axis, we will put the activities: sports, social, artist, culture. Now we need to put numbers on vertical axis. We need to observe. We will jump by what scale, okay? Look at the numbers 45, 25, 30, 15. We will observe the scale will be 5. We will jump by 5. In each time increase by 5. So you must put 0 in the intersection point of vertical axis and horizontal axis. We must start with 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Please take care. We will put each number for each square, big square, okay? This is big square. Begin with 0 and jump by 5 for each square, okay? Now we need to represent data. Please look at sports, okay? We will make bar, okay? We will go up until reach 45, like this, okay? The second bar, social, we need to go up until reach at 25. The third bar, artist, at number 30. We will move to artist and go up until reach 30. Okay? The last activity is culture. We will go up until reach 15. Now let's solve together drill 3. The table opposite show the number of visitors of the different museums in Egypt in 2 years, 2005, 2006, and 2006, 2007. Complete representing these data by double bars. Please take care. Double bars graph, okay? Use green color for 2005, 2006 and yellow color for 2006, 2007. Then answer the following. Now we will represent the data on the table using double bars graph. Okay? We need to determine the horizontal axis and vertical axis. Horizontal axis, it's label museum. Okay, look at the table, museum. The first, historic, artistic, national. Okay, we will write on the horizontal axis, it's museum, historic, artistic, national. Now we need to determine the numbers on vertical axis. Okay, the vertical axis, it's labeled number of visitors. Okay, this is number of visitors. We will observe the number is 10, 15, 40, 120, 150. So we can put the scale 10, jump by 10, increase by 10. Okay, you must start with 0 at intersection point of horizontal axis and vertical axis. Please take care. The scale in the graph is start with 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. Please take care. We will observe, put 10 at the half of the first square. Okay, 0, 10, 20. After 20, 30, put 30 at the half of the square. 40, 50, 60, put 50 at the half of the square. After 60, 70, 80, put 70 at the half of the square, and so on. Okay, now we will represent data using double bars. Okay, the first bar with color green. Okay, for the year 2005, 2006. Historic, it's number 120 visitors. So we will go up until reach 120. This is the first bar with color green. The second bar with color yellow for the year 2006, 2007. It's number 150 visitors. Okay, we will go up until reach 150. Now we will represent artistic. The first bar with green color at number of visitors 15. So we will go up until reach 15. Please take care. We will put 15 at the half between 10 and 20. Okay? The second bar with yellow color, it's number 40 visitors. So go up until reach 40. The third museum, national, first year 10 visitors and second year 10 visitors. So the first bar with green color, we will go up until reach 10. The second bar with yellow color, go up until reach 10. Now we need to answer the following from your representing data. Double bar graph. The first requirement, which is greater, the number of visitors of history museums in 2005, 2006 or in 2006, 2007. And then what is the amount of increase? Look with me. Historic museum, there are two columns. The first column, green column, 2005, 2006. The second column 2006-2007. Number of visitors of History Museum in 2005-2006, 120. Number of visitors of History Museum in 2006-2007, 150. Greater number of visitors, 150 visitors in 2006-2007. What is the amount of increase? Amount of increase equal greater number minus smaller number. 150 minus 120 equal 30. Second requirement in the year 2005-2006, which is greater? The number of visitors to the history museums, to the arts museums. Please look with me. We want to look the year 2005-2006. We will look at the first column with color green, okay? But take care, we need two museums, History Museum and Art Museum, okay? 2005-2006, number of visitors 120. In Historic Museum. In Art Museum 2005-2006, number of visitors 15 visitors, okay? So the greater number of visitors are 120 visitors in Historic Museum. The third requirement in 2006-2007, which is greater? The number of visitors to arts museums or to the national museums, and then find the difference, okay? Please, we need to look the year 2006-2007. So we will look at the second column with yellow color, okay? But take care, we need to look at arts museum and national museums, okay? Art museum and national museum. In 2006-2007, the number of visitors are 40 visitors. In National Museum 2006-2007, number of visitors are 10. So the greater number of visitors are 40 visitors in Arts Museum. To find the difference between the greater number and smaller number, okay, the greater number is 40, the smaller number is 10, okay, so 40 minus 10 equal 30 visitors. Let's solve drill 4. The diagram shows the donations of Ahmed and Victor in the first 5 months of 2008 for the Children Cancer Hospital. Blue bars represents Ahmed donations. Blue bar represent Ahmed donations and red bars represent Victor's donations. Red bar represent Victor donations, okay? Please record the data in a table, then answer the following. Please look at the diagram. We will observe the horizontal axis, label its months, okay? and the vertical axis label donations in pounds. So we need to put in table 2 row. The table head: months January, February, March, April, May. Please look at the paragraph. At horizontal axis, observe January, February, March, April, May. Months, okay? The label on the table: months January, February, March, April, May. Now, the vertical axis is donations in pounds, but take care, we need to put in table Ahmed and Victor. Don't forget 2 bars. The blue bar represents Ahmed donation. The red bar represents Victor donation. So we need to put in the table Ahmed and Victor. We will write on January for Ahmed with blue bar, okay? Please take care. January, the number is 130. February, the number is 130. March, the number is 190. April, the number is 270. May, the number is 270. Victor, we will write donations in pounds. Please take care. These numbers are donations in pounds. Now we will write donations for Victor with red bar. On January, 90. On February, 175. On March, 190. On April, 230. On May, 320. Please take care. Note for you: the scale is jump by 50. 5 lines in small square. 5 lines in small square, okay? Each line represents 10. How to calculate each line represent what? Please take care. Divided by. We will put the jump, okay, the scale is 50, divided by 5. 5 is the number of lines in each small square, equal 10. So each line represents 10. Now we need to answer the following. The first one: what was the months of equal donations from Ahmed and Victor? Please look at the table. You will find the months of equal donations from Ahmed and Victor is March. March, 190 pounds. Okay? Equal donations. The second requirement: what is the difference between the greatest donation and the least donation from each of them? Please look at Ahmed. Please look at Ahmed. The greatest number is 270. The smallest number is 130. So Ahmed difference equal 270 minus 130 equal 140 pounds. Look at Victor donations. The smallest donation is 90. The greatest donation is 320. So vector difference equal 320 minus 90 equal 230 pounds. Let's solve together drill 5. The table below shows the number of hours that Walid and Fuad spend to study their lessons in a week. Please look with me at the table. Day, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Pupil, Walid and Fuad. This is number of hours, okay, for each one. For Walid and for Fuad. Now we need to represent these data by double bars. First, we need to draw horizontal axis and vertical axis. Horizontal axis, its label. Please look at the table, day. So, the label of horizontal axis, days. We will write Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Now we need to write the numbers on vertical axis. Please look at numbers on the table. 3, 4, 6, 5. So we can determine the scale jump by 1. You must start with 0 at intersection point of horizontal axis and vertical axis. Jump by 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please take care. Label of vertical axis is number of hours. Please look at the table. You discover numbers are numbers of hours. Okay? Now you can represent data by double bars, but take care, you must use different colors, okay? The data shown on table represented by double bar. Please look with me. On Saturday, Walid 3, we will do bar go up 3. Fuad 4, go up until reach 4, okay? This is on Saturday. You can do the same steps for the remaining days. Let's solve drill 6 together. The table below shows the production of handmade carpets that were exhibited by a group of producing families in an exhibition. Look with me at the table, family and number of carpets. Family, there are 5 families. First family, second family, third family, fourth family, fifth family. The number of carpets for each family are 35 first family, 25 second family, 5 third, 15 fourth, 20 fifth. Represent these data once using a bar line graph. Now you can draw columns, bar, according to the data on the table. The first family go up until reach 35. Second family go up until reach 25. Third family go up until reach 5. Fourth family go up until reach 15. Fifth family go up until reach 20. Let's solve together extra 1. Read the graph opposite, which show the money saved by Samira in pounds for some years. Then answer the following. Look at the bar graph. The horizontal axis is labeled year 2002, 2004, 2006, 2008. The vertical axis is labeled sum in pounds. Okay, start with 0. Okay, its scale jump by 5. The first column 2002 30 pounds. The second column 2004 50 pounds. The third column 2006 35 pounds. The fourth column 2008 55 pounds. Now we need answer the following. The first one. Form a table showing Samira's savings as in the graph. You can form the table as follows. The first row, the head is year 2002, 2004, 2006, 2008. The second row, its head sum in pounds. Please look at the numbers on bar graph. Okay, you will find 2002, it's sum 30 pounds. 2004, it's sum 50 pounds. 2006, it's sum 35 pounds. 2008, it's sum 55 pounds. The second requirement. What is the total sum of money saved by Samira? The total sum of money saved by Samira 30 plus 50 plus 35 plus 55 equal 170 pounds. Good time for you. Goodbye.